Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, share if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. In this video, we will try to explain why your green card's getting time is higher than others, and we'll also let you know how many green cards are actually allocated for various family preferences. Let's get into the video. The family-based green card is one of the most popular ways to become a U.S. lawful permanent resident. Despite this popularity, however, the process is not as straightforward as many people perceive it to be. This is because there is a limit to the number of U.S. green cards that can be issued in a year. Each year, a total of 2 to 6,000 family-based green cards are issued to applicants from different countries. While this might sound like a large number, the volume of people seeking green cards annually is often much higher. This numerical cap, along with other factors, is the reason why some applicants apply for and obtain their green card within a year or two, while some may need to wait several of years, sometimes decades. This is primarily based on each applicant's family-based green card preference level. Family-based green cards can be broadly grouped into two categories. They are the immediate family of U.S. citizens and the family preference category. This second category is for specific more distant family members of U.S. citizens and some specified family members of lawful permanent residents. It consists of four subgroups, that's the F1, F2, F3, and F4. The relationship between the petitioner and the sponsored foreign national will determine the processing time for the green card application. Let's know why the immediate relative green card is higher than other family preferences. This particular visa category enjoys a higher preference over other family-based green card types for two major reasons. It does not have an annual limit, meaning there is always an unlimited number of visas, so long the applicant and the sponsor are eligible. Also, immediate relative applicants don't have to worry about the green card waiting line. It's another category. The adjudication process starts as soon as the Form I-130 petition is received by the USCIS. Once it is approved, the green card will immediately become available. Let's know about family preference green card number card. Unlike the immediate relative category, the family preference category has certain factors that create limits on these visas. These factors heavily determine the family-based green card processing time. For instance, each of the subcategories in the family preferences has an annual limit for immigrant visas issued each year. Once this number is reached, other applicants in that category will have to wait until the next fiscal year. Also, no country can make up more than 7% of the total visas issued in any given year. Once this percentage is reached, other applicants from that country will have to wait until the next fiscal year. This can cause some applicants to have to wait for several years before they are able to adjust their status. Therefore, the processing time will largely depend on two main factors, one of which is the family preference subcategory you are pursuing. Let's see the allocated green card number of family preference subcategories. Family first preference, FI, F1. This subcategory of the family-based green card is for unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens and their children under 21. Its annual cap is $23,400. Family second preference, F2. This is for children under 21 spouses and unmarried sons and daughters of lawful permanent residents. Its annual cap is $114,200. 77% of the green card in this group is issued to children under 21 and spouses, F2A, while the remaining is allocated to unmarried sons and daughters, F2B. Family third preference, F3. This is for married sons and daughters of any age of U.S. citizens and their children under 21. Its annual cap is $23,400. Family fourth preference, F4. This subcategory is for brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens as well as their children under 21 and spouses provided the U.S. citizen sponsor is at least 21 years old. It has an annual cap of 65,000. We understood how their family preference subcategories affect their green card getting time. But there is another thing which can slow your green card process. The second factor is based on the applicant's country of origin. Sometimes the wait time for some applicants may be much longer than the average time. This is because certain countries usually exceed their 7% annual limit for each year category, which leads to visa application backlogs. If you are from any of these countries, you may be affected by this quote application from countries like India, Philippines, China. In Mexico, you have to wait from 10 to 20 years depending on the visa backlog for their subcategory. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. Bye.